like 95% of the other stuff. And then obviously.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Boo!
Oh, googly dad!
They made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grinned.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
Mike Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is uppermost ready. Need to get in charge. Spread out and lock it down. I have information on the girl. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
Hey, work nice. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done that, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sully. They'll never get her home now.
No, go? Oh, no. Slam it!
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mike Wazowski!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out the markings down. Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter.
Always watching. Don't forget to check under your bed tonight.